Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to improve your store speed on Shopify. So there are three factors which I'm going to show you over here. And obviously, most of the customers don't have time to wait for online stores. That's why you need optimizing online store speed is essential for customer retention. So the first one which I'm going to show you is application. So click on settings at the bottom left corner, click on apps and sales and channels. So you will see all the applications you have installed on your store. Why? Because control factors, affecting store speed, such as limiting the number of running applications, download only necessary third-party apps to prevent slowdowns. Otherwise, these applications will also slow down your website. Next thing which will slow down your store is theme. Obviously, choose wise theme. Editing theme code can make a big impact speed. So seek support, Shopify support for guidance on free themes, or consider optimized Shopify 2.0 themes for better performance. And you can find them over here in the store, obviously. So if you want to reach your, developer support, you can also do that. Just click on customize button on your theme, current theme, and you will end up over here. Just say, and on the top, you will see that three dots button. Click on this and you will see get support. Once you click on this, you can easily contact your developers also. So this is how you can also manage your speed of your store. The third option is avoid loading multiple high resolution images or videos simultaneously. Limit large images on screen to 3 for optimal speed. Otherwise, it would take some time to load your store. Obviously, if you have a high resolution, it might take some time for viewers to open your website, right? So that's it. These three major points you need to keep in mind. The first one was to limit the application, second one to choose the best theme, and the third one to choose the less, high resolution videos or also images. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to improve your store speed on Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.